Taking a look at NVIDIA here today, down about 3%. We do NVIDIA videos on a daily basis. We've been doing this for like almost 2 to 3 months now. If you guys want to tag along, please feel free to subscribe and turn on notifications. All right, so let's go ahead and get started here. NVIDIA here as a long-term investor is still at a dip opportunity in my opinion. If you haven't watched any of our previous video, I pretty much just mentioned anything between $117 and $96 is going to be a buying opportunity for me. Of course, you can see we had a low here of $86.62 with a lot of buying pressure as well within that single day. Again, anything below 96, that's where I would be looking to add a really big position into NVIDIA stock, which we did here. We did add at $85, I believe. Let me go ahead and zoom into the 4-hourly chart just to see. So $88, to be specific, we added at $88, all right? Now, on the daily chart here, I am going to make some updates for NVIDIA stock. If we fall down below 103, I now wouldn't mind adding a bigger position between 103 and 96. I no longer think $86 is going to be tested. I think we already bottomed out here. And if anything, of course, a test down to about 96 is realistic. And if we do dip down below 103, down to about 96, that's a really good dip opportunity in my opinion. Looking for that reversal back up to the top side here of 117 resistance. And I do believe going into May 2025, we are going to get this test at 117. Watch for that move, again, from our current price here to about 117. Let's go ahead and measure this move real quick. Currently down at 106, right? That's going to be right around an 11% move to the top side here for NVIDIA stock. I have mentioned also in our previous videos that I do believe the all-time high is going to be tested here within this year. That's why I'm so reiterating so many times that below 117, I really like this dip opportunity, and I'm pretty firm on 153 being retested during this year of 2025. Let me know what your thoughts are down below and what you are currently doing for NVIDIA. If you're watching this, please let us know what your average cost basis is in NVIDIA, if you're comfortable sharing down below in the comments. All right. And again, as always, if you don't have a community, I highly recommend joining our Discord. We do have over 32,000 people and a dedicated chat section for NVIDIA. Link down below for our Discord, all right? If you want live entries and exits on stocks and options, we do share that in our Patreon link as well. Check out the Patreon link. It's going to be the second link down below in the description of the video for our Bullish Raid Patreon. Again, live entries and exits on stocks and options. That does include NVIDIA as well. Thanks for watching, you guys. And as always, please feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. I've been making NVIDIA videos, like I said, during the past few months, and I'm going to continue making more NVIDIA analysis and updates as well, okay? Going into May 2025, my prediction is that we are going to test between 117 and 132. That sounds very bullish, I know. Keep an eye out for that at least. You don't have to take my word for it. Don't buy or sell based off of what I say. Just keep an eye out for 117 to 132 to be tested there, and again, we'll see what happens.